I will give you 30 days sugar less in your diet. Let's make it you and me both together. Please stick to this video till end, especially when shared with friends and family. Now let's start. But too much sugar can be a problem. Excessive sugar intake is linked to obesity, diabetes, and heart disease. It's important to be aware of how much sugar we're consuming daily. It's like salt. A little is okay. Sugar can be enjoyed in moderation, but overindulgence can lead to serious health consequences. Sugar hides in many foods. It's not just in desserts, it's also in sauces, bread, and savory snacks. Reading labels can help you identify hidden sugars. This challenge is about taking control. By tracking what you eat and planning your meals, you can reduce your sugar intake and improve your health. Week 1 is all about awareness and preparation. Start by educating yourself on the effects of sugar and where it hides in your diet. Clean out your pantry, remove sugary snacks and replace them with healthier alternatives like nuts, fruits and whole grains. Plan your shopping. Make a list of healthy foods and stick to it. Fresh produce, lean proteins and whole grains should be your go-to items. You can enjoy food and still be healthy. Preparing balanced meals with fresh ingredients allows you to savor delicious flavors without the excess sugar. It's about making small changes. Opting for a piece of fruit instead of a candy bar or choosing water over soda can make a big difference over time. Are you ready to feel amazing? Let's go. Embrace this journey and discover the benefits of a healthier lifestyle. This week is about awareness. We need to know our enemy. Start reading food labels. Pay close attention to the sugar content. You might be surprised where sugar hides. It's not just in sweets and desserts. Sugar can be found in bread, sauces, and even salad dressings. Keep a food journal. Write down everything you eat and drink. This helps you see your sugar intake. You can't change what you don't track. Start making simple swaps. Choose water over soda. Pick fruit over candy. Opt for plain yogurt instead of flavored ones. Small changes make a big difference. Over time, these small steps can lead to significant health. Impro. Now, let's move on to week 2, reducing sugar. Begin by cutting back on obvious sources of sugar. Reduce your intake of sugary drinks and snacks. Gradually decrease the amount of sugar you add to your coffee or tea. Experiment with natural sweeteners like honey or stevia. Be mindful of portion sizes. Sometimes it's not just what you eat, but how much you eat. Practice mindful eating, savor each bite, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Remember, reducing sugar is a journey. Take it one step at a time and celebrate your progress along the way. Together we can transform our health 1 week at a time. Welcome to week 3. This week, we tackle snacks. Snacks can be a major source of hidden sugar. Chips, granola bars, and yogurt often have lots of added sugar. Choose whole foods for snacks. Think fruits, vegetables, and nuts. These are naturally sweet and good for you. Craving something crunchy? Try air-popped popcorn. Want something creamy? Go for plain yogurt with berries. Week 3, mastering meals. This is where we see the benefits of our efforts. Focus on what we put into our bodies. Cooking at home lets us control ingredients and portion sizes. Skip sugary cereals. They spike blood sugar and leave you sluggish. Try eggs, oatmeal, or a smoothie with no added sugar. Grilled chicken, fish, or tofu with roasted vegetables are great options. Keep going. Every small step counts. Planning meals and keeping a food journal helps you stay on track. Week 4, the long haul. It's a marathon, not a sprint. Stay focused and keep pushing forward. As a conclusion, sweet success. You can do it. Congratulations, you've completed the 30-day Eat Less Sugar Challenge. You're on your way to a healthier you. Reducing sugar has amazing benefits. You'll have more energy. You'll sleep better. You might even lose weight. But most importantly, you're taking care of yourself. Remember, it's okay to have a treat sometimes. Life is about balance. Just be mindful of your choices. Keep up the great work. Reflect on your journey and celebrate your progress. You've made a positive change, and that's something to be proud of. Keep pushing forward and continue making healthy choices every day. You can do it.